what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new project, and in this project we will see how SwiftUI is different. So let's name this anything you like I will name it SwiftUI demo, and just make sure you select Swift here, and instead of storyboard you select SwiftUI here. And we are not going to do anything with core data and unit tests, so we'll leave it unchecked. Click next, and here wherever you want to save, so I want to save it on my desktop, so I'll select that, and let's create. So once your project gets created, you will come to this screen. Let me full screen it. Okay, so yeah, just ignore that issue. Now just click here the resume. So what is different from the earlier Xcode here? So what you can see is here you are seeing one panel. So this is called as canvas view, where you can see your actual content, whatever you are trying to build. So yeah, like here it is written hello world, so you can see hello world here. So if I change that, hello, let's call it hello friends, and you can see that it is running at runtime. So that's very great that you can see your changes runtime at here only. So it will save you a lot of time, where you can run your the simulator and running on the simulator, checking there. So yeah, so this is a really good addition. Then what is different from the earlier one, from UI kit? So here you can see that there is no storyboard file, also there is no view controller file. Right, so view controller file is replaced by this content view, and since we don't have storyboards here, we are going to do everything programmatically. So this is basically not completely programmatically. You have option to drag and drop, so like you can click here and you can add whatever you want to add, so like that. So I will teach that in the next video, but now we will focus on what is major changes. So here you can see that whatever you are going to build, you have to pass it inside this body. So currently I have written hello friends text, and it is, you can see here. But what if I write one more text and say how are you all doing? So if I try to do like that, it is giving me error. Why? Because this body view, it always it is expecting only one view to be written from this body, closure body. So what we will do is, there is something called vstack, and just if I pass everything inside vstack, then inside vstack I can pass any number of views, and just after writing that vstack, you can see that it directly reflecting here. So this is how you can create a text inside a SwiftUI. Then suppose you can see, you can click here like command and press on the text, it will give you multiple options to edit it. So like if I click edit in scope, if I, so instead of directly editing there, we will try to edit it programmatically. So I have option to give a font to this, like I want to give large title, so you can see it's reflecting here. You have other multiple options also, like if I want to give font of caption type or a headline type, so it will be like this. I can give color also, like red. Let's do the same here, color green, and like this. So it's that easy to give your colors and everything in SwiftUI. So this is how you pass your views, and it will reflect here. Suppose you want to pass an image, how you will do that? So so first you need to have image inside your project, so let me pull that in. Okay, so I have the image with me. Let's go here. So my image name is India. Okay, I come here, let me resume it. Let me see how my canvas view is working. So until that loads, let's try and pass the image. So passing the image is just way too easy. Like I have to write image, and inside that I have to just pass the name of the image which I want to show. So yeah, it should reflect here. Let me click on resume. Sometimes this takes a time to load, and there you go, you can see. Since my image is way too big, it is just moving everything aside. So what I can do is, on image I have one property called resizable, which will make it fit inside this my simulator. So yeah, but still it is not looking that good. But yeah, what we can do is we can add padding for everything so that it will look a bit good. So what I can do is I can add padding. So it will add padding on all the sides. You can see if you select this text, it will highlight that text here, and you can see the spacing. So let's do same padding for this text also. There you go. So yeah, this is how it looks good. So even I want to give padding to image also. Use less spacing, and there you go, it added spacing on this. So yeah, but still you can see that it is somewhat getting squeezed. So let's try to give the aspect ratio to this. So what we can do is, let's give aspect ratio, and I want to make it fit, and there you go. So now you can see it looks so good. So this is how you can use images, text in your app. And there are multiple other properties also for images. Like I want to give corner radius. So earlier we want to pass the corner radius, and we have to do in multiple lines of code. But now I have to just write corner radius, and I have to pass the corner radius, and there you go. See, you can see the result here. So that's how easy it is, everything in SwiftUI. So I highly encourage you to start learning this. And yeah, and there is one more property, like if you don't want to give corner radius and you want to make your image completely circular, so there we can use clip shape, and you have to pass the shape inside this. So I want to make it circular. So that's how easy it is. So look at here. So yeah, this is how easy it is. So yeah, you can hide the canvas from here, show the canvas here. It will sometimes take time to reload it the first time, but yeah, again you have your content view, and scene delegate is also added with app delegate. So you can, and it's not like that you cannot use the code of UI kit inside SwiftUI. Definitely you can use it, and we can see that in the further videos. But for now, this is how, just for the starting, we will not go into depth. So here we have understood how to use images and text inside the app. So just like VStack we have, inside VStack we can use, so VStack is nothing but vertical stack, placing the elements vertically. But what if you want something horizontally, like if I go here and I create an S stack for horizontally placing the elements, and I will copy paste this, since I am lazy programmer. So here I will just write my name and first name and last name, and it will place that horizontal. Let me remove the last title to something like title. And one more thing, like if you don't need to give this padding, foreground color and font for each of the elements, like I want to give this for both, I want same thing, then I can pass this font, title and this one only, like this. Let me give some different color here, blue. So yeah, this is how easy it is. You can place elements horizontally, and yeah, and yeah, suppose you want to move this image at the top, you don't want it to be at the proper position. So what you can do is you can pass a spacer. So you have something called spacer, and if you write this, it will just move the elements up and it will just place them at the right position. So yeah, let me reload this. Yeah, there you go. But yeah, but it's not looking that good. So if I can give this spacer at the bottom also, and it will work like same for me. And there you go. So yeah, for this video let's stop here, and feel free to ask if you have any doubts, and if you have any suggestions, I will make sure I will make a video on that. And yeah, so basically I've created this channel to share knowledge. So I keep myself learning every week something new, and I thought let's make a video on them and share with others also. And yeah, by teaching you I also learn something new, and I will also remember this concept better. So that's why I'm creating this video series on SwiftUI. So thank you, and hope you guys like it. Bye.